Areli, and today I'm going to share with you a haul of all the stuff that I found last time that I went to Goodwill. As I told you in a previous video, I love going to Goodwill or Salvation Army because sometimes you can find pretty amazing treasures and very unique stuff that you cannot find somewhere else. So if you did not see that video, I'm gonna leave it on a link down below so you can check it out. But if you would like to see all the finds that I got this last time I went to Goodwill, just keep watching this video. Alright, so one of the first things I found last time I was there was these pair of shorts, which are absolutely amazing. What I love about this the most is the color. It's kind of like a neon orange, and as I told you before, neon colors are very trendy for this season, so that's one of the reasons I got it. But these look amazing when you have them on, and I've worn them so much already, so I'm very excited for these pair of shorts. Another thing I found was this beautiful denim skirt that it's like a super soft kind of denim, and it's a very like loose skirt. It looks so pretty and feminine when you have it on. It has these little pockets on the front, and this was 50% off, so it was only like $3, so that was amazing. Okay, moving on to tops. I found this little top that is like super basic. It's a very pale shade of pink, and another trend for this season are pastels, so that's another reason I got it. And this particular shirt has this little knot here in the front that kind of accentuates the waist, so it has like something little different on it, and it was super cheap as well, and it looks very cute on. Another find was this gorgeous top that is made out of lace entirely. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's so feminine, and as you can see, it's like off shoulder. You can dress it up or down. It's very versatile, and it looks very pretty when you have it on. Okay, so moving on to rompers. Rompers are a thing that I really like to wear in the summer because they're very easy to style and they look very cute when you have them on. So the first one I got was this one, which is off shoulder as well, and it's blue and it has white stars all over. It also has this little strip in the waistline, so you can adjust it and accentuate your waist, and it looks very pretty on. It's super fresh, and you can wear it like with heels or you can wear it with sneakers. It's very versatile as well. The next romper I found was this one. This one is so pretty. It's black with a bunch of different flowers in very vivid colors. That's one of the things that I like about it the most. This one also has kind of like a built-in bra here on the front, and on the back it has this kind of elastic piece of fabric, so it can adjust to whatever body type you have. This one is a little bit more loose on the bottom, and it has pockets. I love pockets on any kinds of clothes, so this one looks super cute, and it's very fresh as well. So this next piece is probably my favorite purchase out of everything. Is this black romper that is like super simple, but at the same time it's like very cute. It is like a cross V-neck on the front, but what makes this special and a little bit different is that it has this lace sleeves here on the top, and it also has the same lace detail here on the leg on either side. This one, I showed it to you before in a video on how to transform your outfits from day to night. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna leave the link down below so you can check it out. This one, I think I've worn it like 100 times already, and it's super cute and super versatile. You can wear it with heels or you can wear it with sneakers or sandals, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Okay, so moving on to dresses. The first one I found was this one, which is blue with flowers in different colors, especially pink. This one is a little bit loose on the bottom and a little bit more tight on the top. This one is super fresh, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I wear it with white sneakers, and it looks very cute, so I'm very excited to keep wearing it during the summer. Next dress I found was this white dress with pink flowers all over it. This one is so feminine, it's so flowy, and it's so fresh. I haven't worn this yet, but I'm very excited to enjoyed the colors of it. I think it's gonna look absolutely amazing, so I'm very, very excited. And last but not least, another of my favorite purchases was this beautiful dress that is kind of a Tiffany color, and it's completely made of lace as well. This dress is so cute and so feminine. You can also like dress it up or down. Every time I wear this dress, I get compliments on it. So it looks absolutely gorgeous and it's super fresh. So I'm very happy with this find as well. So these are all the clothes that I found last time I went to Goodwill. I hope you like all the items I found and it inspires you to do the same. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't, because I upload videos every single week, so that way you're not gonna miss any. And as always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!